I'm Dana and this is Dana Does It. In this video, I'm going to let you know the 5 most important things that you need to know before you apply for any vendor event. Number 1, you need to know the cost, date, and the time. Say for instance, an event is $100. You need to know what's included for the $100. Do you get tables, chairs, tents? What exactly is included for my $100? Okay, the date. The date, is it in the springtime, the winter time, the fall time? That all matters, especially when you're providing either a service or some products. You need to know what season it's going to be in. And then the time. Is it during the day, the morning? Is it usually during the weekday? When is this event going to take place? Number 2, you need to know how many other vendors are going to be in your category. I sell jewelry. So if I was applying for an event, I would want to know how many other jewelry vendors are in my category. And if there are too many, I might not want to attend that event. Number 3, you want to know how many people attended that event last year. And that will give you a gauge on how much traffic there will be, which is very important when you're selling things at an event. And also, if this is the first time that they are having this event, you need to know how many people that they expect to attend and what their marketing strategies are going to be. Number 4, you need to know if it's an outdoor event or if it's an indoor event, which is very important. If it's an outdoor event, you need to know if you need a tent, what the weather is going to be like during that time of year or that month that they have this particular event. You also need to know if they're going to cancel the event due to inclement weather, because if they're going to have the event go on either rain or shine, that's something you definitely need to know. If it's an indoor event, you want to make sure you can get your hands on the map or an idea of what the venue is going to look like. Sometimes on indoor events, they might have them in stadiums, high school gyms, or even sometimes like recreation centers. So you want to kind of look at the map to see where they're going to have all of the vendors placed, if there'd be different rooms and things of that sort, because sometimes vendors that have been to a specific event previously, sometimes they get preference on where they're placed. So you need to know about the placements, if it's an indoor event or if it's an outdoor event as well. And the last thing, number 5, that you need to know is the deadline that you need to make your decision. How much time do I have to make my decision? Is this event next month? Is it next week? Is it next year? What is the deadline that I need to make my decision? So those are the 5 things that you need to know before you apply to any vendor event. Hopefully this helps. If you guys have any questions at all, I love talking to you guys. Please leave them in the comments below, or feel free to email me. My email is in the description box, and I'm going to be doing more videos about pop-up shops, vendor events, and things of that sort, because 'tis the season. We are about to start going out and doing more vendor events as the weather clears up, and around the holidays and things like that. Vendor events are always popping. So I'm here to help. I will help you guys in any way I can. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos like this. Later!